Good morning, everybody. It's your cheese. If you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. Today is moving day, and I am so excited. Tana is not with me right now, but she will be with me later on. So, yeah, I'm excited. I feel like it's my first time going to college. Like every year, like I'm so excited the same way, but yeah, I have a lot to bring to the car. Have some stuff downstairs. My room is literally a mess, but I will clean that before I go. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm not excited to load this car though, so yeah. I'm literally dying already. I'm already sweating, but we got most of the stuff downstairs now. Now we just gotta put it in the car. Oh, mini fridge. Thank you. I still have to go upstairs and get my sneakers. I don't have shoes on. I literally just put everything from upstairs to downstairs, and I'm literally sweating already. I feel like I'm melting. Yeah. Woo! My school is about 15 minutes away, so I'm not going far. So if I get homesick, I can just come back home. But yeah, some people, what's this? Some people are like, why do you live on campus if you live so close to school? Well, because I have a lot of scholarships and stuff, so they pay for me to live there for free, so might as well. Yeah, so I think we're gonna load the car now and get ready to head on out. Even though I was supposed to move in at 1, don't really got time for that. Alrighty, so we got all the stuff in the car. We have a little spot right there for my sister. Here's my mom. Say hey. So we're on our way to school. I mean, actually, we're on our way to pick up my sister, and then we'll be on our way to school because you know she gotta help me moving the stuff. You sweating? I'm sweating. I'm sweating. All right, I'll update y'all later. Hey, we got my sisters.
Hello.
Actually, Tana's here. She left me for the weekend, but she is back. They're all squished back there.
Bored and how many did you do?
Hey y'all! This is so weird. I know it is weird. This is so weird. Okay. Hey y'all. We're in the backseat.
Hi.
Hi YouTube. Hi. So we're in my room. I totally forgot to start filming, but kind of have my bed set up. I forgot pillows at home, so my mom went to go get that. And what are we doing now? We're gonna put the fairy lights above my bed. Yeah, so. So we hung up the lights, we hung up the curtains. You can't even see them because they're sheer. Hold on. We hung up the curtains. We're kind of fixing up my desk right now. I'm just hanging up these little pics I got for like $2 on Walmart. And I'm going to hang them up right here.
And then I'm peeling off this paper off this back of this. I'm playing with fur from her pillow.
Hold on, you're ripping the photo?
No, it was on your bed.
Out.
I took it off your bed.
Shedding. Okay, so I kind of finished my room. I just need a white big rug. I brought a rug, but it's kind of like a creamy, like ivory color, and yeah, that's not good. So yeah, we're on our way to my house for things that I forgot, and yeah, look at my mom's face. I'm so sorry, you guys. I have not been vlogging, but yeah, my room is pretty much done. I'm gonna be doing a room tour, so I'm not gonna film any in my room right now. But yeah, I'm pretty much done moving in. My mom been left. I just came back from Target with my roommates, some of my roommates. Yeah, now I'm just gonna go get something to eat because I haven't eaten anything all day. So I think I'm gonna end this here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share this video. And yeah, I'll probably upload a dorm tour like tomorrow or the day after. Yeah, bye!